Hi, welcome to BioLink Elementor template YouTube channel. In the previous video, I already introduced 24 BioLink Elementor template to make you easier and faster creating profile page using Wordpress CMS and Elementor Builder. Then you can put the link on your social media profile such as Instagram, TikTok, and many more. Okay, in the previous video, we already know that this 24 BioLink Elementor template available in JSON file format. Okay, this is the preview of the JSON file. The preview of the BioLink Elementor template, and the JSON file is just like this. Okay, this is the JSON file of BioLink Elementor template. There are 24 BioLink Elementor templates ready to use to create your profile page. Of course, you have to import those templates one by one to your Elementor template section inside your WordPress website. But right now, to make your job much more easier, we already developed one plugin consists of these 24 BioLink Elementor templates. Let me show you. This is the plugin. Okay, we already create the plugin, single plugin that consists of those 24 BioLink Elementor templates. What you have to do, next is just go to your WordPress website, and I already logged into my WordPress website. And then go to the plugin section, add new here, upload the plugin, then choose the file from your computer folder. There you go, and open it. The next is install now. Okay, if you already installed the plugin, of course the final process is to activate the plugin. That's it. Now you already integrate the 24 BioLink Elementor template through the plugin. This is the plugin, the core name of the plugin, our contact. And to see it in action, let's test it by creating a new page. Just add new page. Wait for a moment. Okay, and then you just have to put the title. In this case, I just want to put my first BioLink. Okay. Of course, it is up to you. Since you are the one who has the website, it is up to you what kind of title that you want to put on this first BioLink page. And then click the Edit with Elementor button. So you will be forwarded to the Elementor design page. Just wait, okay. And don't forget to choose the page layout to Elementor canvas. You can click settings here, the icon on the edge of the screen, and then go to the page layout and change it into Elementor canvas. Okay, this is the Elementor canvas, and then there you go. We got our button. This is the plugin of 24 BioLink Elementor templates. You just click it here. Voila! You can find a complete collection of 24 BioLink Elementor templates available for you. You don't have to install it one by one from the JSON file. So just install one plugin. You got all of the 24 BioLink Elementor templates. And you are free to choose which design that is fit for you or your clients if you want to make this page for your clients. Okay, let me show you how to create the first BioLink. You just have to choose one of the design, and in this case I will choose design number 1. We just have to click insert here. Okay, just wait for a moment. Okay, there you go, the full design of BioLink page by Elementor. And this is the desktop version. Okay, let's see the full desktop version. Okay, this is a nice and elegant design, of course. And if you want to see the mobile version, you just go to the responsive mode icon in the edge of the screen here. You just click here, and then you can find 3 icons here. Choose the mobile icon. There you go. You can find this is the mobile version of this BioLink Elementor template. So if you already create this profile page, you can put the link on your social media. You can find this nice design if your visitor or the traffic click into your link, and they will find this kind of page. It will be good in the mobile version or in the desktop version, just like this. Okay, mobile version, and then this is the tablet version. How to modify this? It is very easy, whether you are a new beginner using Elementor or you are an advanced Elementor user. Of course, it will be very easy. If you want to change the image, you just click the image section here and then choose the image, whether you want to upload this from your computer or you just take it from the media library if you already provide it. As an example, I already had this image, and then I will choose this image and insert it. So I already changed the image profile here, and then I can change the subtitle as a call to action. Probably you just put contact me or whatever you want to put on this section, and then if you want to change your name, an example as Thomas Anderson, you can change the description also. I am the Matrix Trilogy game designer, fight for my love, or whatever the description that you want to put there, of course. Okay, the next is if you want to put your social media profile, you can change here the button. You can put your Facebook link, your Twitter link, YouTube link, Telegram link, or your Instagram link. Or if you want to add as many button as you want, you just duplicate this and then change it. Change the icon from the icon library, from the Elementor icon library. Probably you want to put your LinkedIn and then insert it. So you can find the new button here, LinkedIn button, and then you just put your link inside this button. Okay, you can put as many buttons as you want. And then here we find click to WhatsApp button. So your visitor or your clients can contact you as fast as they can using this WhatsApp button chat. And then we have this website button also, so you can put your website link inside this button. Okay guys, you can put or you can create and modify this template as much as you want to make this page much more functional and giving much more information to your clients, to your customers through this profile page as a bio link in your social media or in your other internet profile, of course. Okay, that's it. You can see also in the mobile version again here, just like this. Okay, so it is very easy to create a profile page using this 24 BioLink Elementor templates. And if you want to access this 24 BioLink Elementor templates, check this link and you can contact me through my WhatsApp also. And you can check all the links in this video description. So please check all the link in this video description. And I think that's all the information I can give you in this video. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.